Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna, brightening text 30, text 31, text 32 of chapter 10, the opulence of the absolute of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, text 30. Prahlada Shravasmi Daityanama Kalaha Kalayata Mahama Mruganam Cha Mrugena Droham Vainate Yashrav Pakshinama. Among the Daitya demons, I am the devoted Prahlad. Among subduers, I am time. Among beasts, I am the lion. And among birds, I am Garud. There are two sisters, Diti and Aditi. The sons of Aditi are called Adityas, and the sons of Diti are called Daityas. All the Adityas are devotees of the Lord, and all the Daityas are atheistic. Although Prahlad was born in the family of the Daityas, he was a great devotee from his childhood. Because of his devotional service and godly nature, he is considered to be a representative of Krishna. There are many subduing principles, but time wears down all things in the material universe, and so represents Krishna. Of the many animals, the lion is the most powerful and ferocious, and of the billion varieties of birds, Garud, the bearer of Lord Vishnu, is the greatest. Text 31. Pavanaha Pavatamasmi Ramaha Shastrabhrutamaham Jhasha Nam Makar Shravasmi Stotrasamasmi Jahanavi. Of purifiers I am the wind, of the wielders of weapons I am Ram, of fishes I am the shark, and of flowing rivers I am the Ganges, of the all aquatics. The shark is one of the biggest and is certainly the most dangerous to man. Thus, the shark represents Krishna. Text 32. Sargana Madirana Tashrava Madhyam Chaivaham Arjuna Adhyatma Vidyanam Vadaha Pravadata Maham. Of all creations, I am the beginning and the end, and also the middle, O Arjun. Of all sciences, I am the spiritual science of the self, and among logicians, I am the conclusive truth. Among the created manifestations, the first is the creation of the total material elements. As explained before, the cosmic manifestation is created and conducted by Mahavishnu, Garbhodakshayi Vishnu, and Shirodakshayi Vishnu, and then again it is annihilated by Lord Shiv. All these agents of creation, maintenance, and annihilation are incarnations of the material qualities of the Supreme Lord. Therefore, he is the beginning, the middle, and the end of all creation. For advanced education, there are various kinds of books of knowledge, such as the four Vedas, their six supplements, the Vedanta Sutra, the books of logic, books of religiosity, and the Puranas. So altogether, there are 14 divisions of books of education. Of these, the book which presents Adhyatma Vidya, spiritual knowledge in particular, the Vedanta Sutra represents Krishna. Among logicians, there are different kinds of argument. Supporting one's argument with evidence that also supports the opposing side is called Jalpa. Merely defeating one's opponent is called Vitand, but the actual conclusion is called Vad. This conclusive truth is a representation of Krishna. Thank you.